Hello, everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through how to properly use a Deepseek proxy on Janitor AI so you can connect the model smoothly and avoid common errors. First, open Janitor AI in your browser and sign in to your account. Once you are on the dashboard, go to the Settings or API Configuration section where you can manage external model connections. Here, you will see an option to add or edit a proxy or API endpoint. Next, copy the Deepseek Proxy URL provided by your proxy service. Paste that URL into the endpoint or proxy field inside Janitor AI. After that, enter the required API key if your proxy requires authentication. Make sure there are no extra spaces or missing characters, because small mistakes can cause connection errors. Once everything is filled in, save the settings and refresh the page. Now open any chat or create a new conversation and select the Deepseek model if it appears in the model list. If the proxy is set up correctly, Janitor AI will start generating responses using the Deepseek connection. Subscribe the channel for more videos.